Hello, Paco here. The weatherman said it might get all the way up to 80 degrees this week. Whew. So we decided it's about time to install our new air conditioner. The problem is that it's designed to sit in a vertical sliding window. And the ones that fit in the casement windows cost 3 times as much. So I designed a hack to make it fit the window. But first, a few disclaimers. Now these AC units are designed to rest against the bottom of the window frame. If that's the case, then all we really need is a crosspiece. So what I did is I ended up using a 2x2 that is the width of the open window. The original design asked you to screw the air conditioner into the window frame. So I went the same route, only I got a slightly longer screw and I attached these two pieces. Next, I needed something for the air conditioner to rest on. So to do that, I took the rest of the 2x2 and I attached it to a 1x4 to create a ledge. Then we found these cool command adhesive Velcro strips that you attach to both the windowsill and the ledge, which allows you to position and reposition this where it stays nice and tight. Now here comes the moment of truth. Will it hold? Now most designs I've seen use plywood right here, but we wanted some natural light, so we decided to get a piece of plywood that was the right size to fill that gap. Now there's still a bit of a gap right here where the windows connect. So what we use there is a piece of foam core board, which just slides in that space and seals that off. Now to create a relatively airtight seal, we used artist tape. You could also use painter's tape or duct tape or something along those lines. We just happen to like artist tape. Now that's all that's left is to extend these side wings, and now take some foam and fill in the gaps. So you get it the way you want it to. Here, two. The final piece is to turn it on. You've got crisp, cool air. So until next time, have a nice day.